Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can ping someone on Discord. So that's a very simple thing to do. Just start composing a message at the Discord server that you would like to ping the member of. Then tap the @ sign and either find this person from the list of users if this list is not very ginormous, if there are not like million users or members of this server, or you can simply start typing the person's username, and once the Discord profile you wanted to ping or tag has been found, just choose it from the list, or you can just simply enter the whole username if you know it. And that's how you ping someone. And as you can see, this person gets pinged, which I can prove to you by showing that, as you can see, I've received a notification on my other phone with this account signed in already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.